Just when you think you know all about banner stands, you meet one that surprises you. The Isoframe Ripple is lightweight and easy to transport. This cost-effective linking banner stand can be built in a matter of minutes. If speed of assembly and portability are what you need, the Isoframe Ripple frame, graphics and even a media screen are ready to go in a moment. But it's the smart FlexiLink graphic that allows you to move and shape the panels, make the display larger, make it smaller, change the shape. It's all in your hands. The clever carry case holds the optional LED lights in the lid and converts into a counter. Everything you need to hand and inbuilt flexibility. The evolution of the banner stand. This is Isoframe Ripple. This is intelligent exhibiting.